Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting with the essentials. Make sure your iPad is updated to iPadOS 14 or later, and that Photos contains the images or albums you want. Once done, unlock the home or lock screen and long press until icons jiggle. Tap Customize or the plus button to open the widget gallery. Select the Photos widget. You'll see size options. Choose the size that suits your layout. This begins the widget placement process so you can refine content next. Now you control what the Photos widget displays. After placing the widget, long press and choose Edit Widget to assign a specific album, favorites, or suggested. Choose Small for single images, Medium for a few, Large for more rotation. If you want curated rotation or captions, set up a shortcuts automation to copy selected images into a dedicated album. Alternatively, install a third-party widget app that supports filtered feeds. Make sure photos are in Finish by arranging and locking your layout. Drag the widget into position and tap Done. If images aren't updating, open Settings and confirm Photos access, plus iCloud Photos is enabled if you rely on cloud syncing. If the widget is blank or stuck on one photo, remove it and add it back, or restart the iPad to clear cache. As one key troubleshooting tip, if rotation doesn't update, ensure background app refresh is enabled for Photos or the widget provider so new images can load.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.